Health and Well-Being, Hands Off the Face Challenge. On a sunny Saturday morning in the heart of a bustling city, our young friends gathered in their school's classroom for an extraordinary lesson. Their teacher, Miss Lila, smiled warmly as she introduced today's topic, the Hands Off the Face Challenge. Ms. Lila explained that our heroes were embarking on an exciting journey to learn about their bodies and how to keep them healthy. She wrote the 4 simple rules of the challenge on the board. Keep clean, don't pick, cover up, wash hands. One curious student, Lily, raised her hand and asked, "But why can't we touch our faces, Miss Lila?" The teacher nodded, acknowledging that this would be an important lesson. Miss Lila launched into a captivating explanation of germs, tiny, microscopic organisms that could make them feel sick. She showed them pictures of germs and explained how they lived on our hands and could enter our bodies through our eyes, nose, and mouth. Miss Lila demonstrated the proper way to wash hands, emphasizing the importance of scrubbing every inch for at least 20 seconds. She stressed that this was the best defense against germs and sickness. The students followed along as Miss Lila led them through the hand-washing routine. They practiced until they had mastered it, cheering each other on with pride and excitement. Miss Lila led a discussion about the importance of clean hands in making and keeping friends. She reminded them that if they got sick, they wouldn't be able to play or share their favorite toys. The students were divided into teams and tasked with creating posters that would teach their fellow students the importance of clean hands. They worked diligently, painting bright pictures and writing catchy slogans. One by one, each team presented their poster, sharing the knowledge they had gained about hand hygiene. Their fellow students listened attentively, eager to learn more ways to stay healthy. As the day came to an end, the students took a moment to reflect on everything they had learned. They made a solemn promise to themselves to follow the Hands Off the Face challenge and keep their bodies, minds, and friendships healthy. Miss Lila awarded each student a certificate for completing the Hands Off the Face challenge. She reminded them that this was just the beginning and encouraged them to practice their new skills every day. The students left school with smiles on their faces, excited to share their knowledge with their families. As the students gathered around Ms. Lila for a group hug, they couldn't help but feel proud of themselves. They had learned so much about taking care of their bodies, making friends, and following simple habits that would keep them healthy. The Hands Off the Face challenge was more than just a lesson. It was a bond between friends and a commitment to health and well-being.